We will discuss transradial approach for addressing chronic total occlusions. As you all know that chronic total occlusion is a very important area of interventional cardiology. It is a difficult subset and you have to have a lot of experience to deal with this particular subset. A lot of literature will be seen on transfemoral, but less number of articles have been published on transradial approach and chronic total occlusion. However, we address most of our chronic total occlusions only through transradial approach, and here we will discuss all our different strategies for dealing with this particular subset. This is an example of chronic total occlusion of proximal LAD segment. A 6-AP EBU 3.5 guide catheter was used and lesion was crossed successfully using a pilot 150 PTCA guide wire. This is the balloon result. A 0.014 inch BMW PTCA guide wire was then deployed in diagonal branch and the stent was negotiated across the LAD lesion. Stenting in progress. You can see a good end result. This is another view showing the result. There is another example of CTO in mid LCX stenosis. This is an example of CTO of mid LCX segment. A 6-AP EBU 4 guide catheter and a 0.014 inch pilot 50 guide wire were used to cross it. The CTO was crossed and ballooning was done. Stenting in progress. Here is the satisfactory end result. Here is an example of CTO of mid RCA segment. Note that it is a very long standing CTO and distal RCA is being filled by intra-arterial collaterals. Also note that there is a big right ventricular branch coming out just at the proximal CTO segment. RCA was cannulated using a 7F AL2 guide catheter. The CTO was crossed using a Miracle 4.5 PTCA wire. Anchor balloon technique has been demonstrated in this case. Anchor balloon is seen in another view. Balloon was negotiated through CTO. Balloon dilatation was done. Segmental dilatation of diseased segment was performed. Segmental balloon dilatation in progress. Multiple stents were deployed. You can see very good end result. This is another view showing the result. This is an example of LAD CTO. LCA was cannulated using a 7F EBU 3.5 guide catheter and the injection revealed CTO of proximal LAD. This is another view showing the lesion. A Miracle 4.5 guide wire was negotiated in the CTO. The wire was negotiated in the CTO using the balloon support. Simultaneous RCA injection done through the left transradial approach confirmed its entry in false channel. Another view showing the wire lying in the false channel. Entry in the true channel was tried. Guide wire entered successfully into the true channel. Ballooning in progress. Stenting in progress. Stenting in progress. Satisfactory end result. This is an example of CTO of proximal RCA segment. RCA was cannulated using a 6F-JR4 guide catheter through right transradial approach, and LCA was cannulated using a 5F-JL4 diagnostic catheter through the left TRA. A 0.014 inch pilot 150 PTCA guide wire crossed the CTO. LCA injection revealed the distal RCA segment, which was useful to enter the proper branch, avoiding the formation of a false passage. Segmental balloon dilatation was performed. Distal RCA is faintly visualized. Contralateral injection revealed the proper placement of the distal wire. LCA injection helped to negotiate the second PTCA guide wire in the distal right. Ballooning of PLV branch lesion was done. Endoluminal reconstruction of the whole length of RCA was done using multiple overlapping stents. Endoluminal reconstruction in progress. Endoluminal reconstruction is in progress. That is the final part of endoluminal reconstruction. You can see a nice end result. This is an example of a long segment CTO of RCA. A 7F-JR4 guide catheter was used to cannulate RCA through right transradial approach, and a 6F EBU 3.5 guide catheter was used to cannulate LCA through left transradial approach. Demonstration of a retrograde approach and anchor balloon technique. You can see a nice demonstration of retrograde approach and anchor balloon technique. Then endoluminal reconstruction of RCA was performed. Endoluminal reconstruction in progress. Endoluminal reconstruction is in progress. You can see excellent end result.